Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manage contacts in System.io. This is essential for organizing your audience and keeping track of different customer segments effectively. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to System.io. Once you're there, log into your account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you can access all the tools you need to manage your online business. Now, let's start by creating a tag, which will help you categorize your contacts in the upper right toolbar. Navigate to CRM, then select Tags. This section is where you'll manage all your contact labels and categories. Tags are incredibly useful because they allow you to group contacts based on specific criteria, making it easier to send targeted communications later. Once you're in the Tags section, look to the upper right panel and click on Create. A new window will appear prompting you to set up your tag. Here, enter a tag name that reflects the group you want to create. This could be anything that helps you identify a specific segment of your audience. After typing in the name, click Save to create the tag. Now that your tag is created, it's time to apply it to your contacts. Head back to the upper right toolbar, navigate to CRM again, and this time select Contacts. This will bring up your complete list of contacts stored in System.io. Next, you'll need to select the contact you want to add to your newly created tag. Click the circle beside the contact name you wish to tag. This selection process allows you to work with specific contacts individually or in groups. After selecting your contact, look over to the left panel and click on Tag. This opens up the tagging options for the contact you've selected. Now navigate to the bottom right of the screen and click on More Actions. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Add Tag. Finally, click the drop-down menu and choose the tag you want to add. Once you've selected the appropriate tag, click Tag to Contacts to apply it. This action assigns the tag to your chosen contact, effectively organizing them into your specified category. And there you have it. You've successfully created a tag and applied it to a contact in System.io. This organization system will streamline your marketing efforts and help you communicate more effectively with different segments of your audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.